This is Juniper forest, deep inside Nyika National Park. This is Juniper forest, and these are juniper trees, very huge and very tall. It's a very beautiful sight.
With its high-altitudinal rolling grasslands often shrouded in a layer of mist and lush green forests that line the riverways, Nyika National Park is a place surrounded with beauty in every direction. As Malawi's oldest and largest national park, Nyika comprises of some of the most outstanding and representative habitats for biodiversity on the planet, including the ancient juniper forest. Forests like these are important for our survival, from the air that we breathe to the habitats they provide. Since being declared a forest reserve in 1948, Peace Parks and partners have continued to ensure the protection of this unique tract of land.